Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ira Jain, and today I'm going to be showing you how to map an SKU, or in other words, how to merge an SKU with another SKU. So what you need to do is you need to go into Inventory SKU. You have to select the option Map SKU. You have to select the SKU that you want to delete. So let's say I have created a whole chicken skin out and with skin and whole chicken separately also. I want to merge the skin out and whole chicken. So I will select the one that I want to delete. I will select the one that I want to continue with, and I'm just going to confirm. As soon as you confirm, the SKUs will be merged. So let's look for whole chicken, the SKU that we had deleted. It will not show up. Okay. Thank you so much.